In the hustle and bustle of our modern lives, the quest for inner peace becomes increasingly vital. Mindfulness meditation, a practice rooted in ancient wisdom, provides a sanctuary within which individuals can discover tranquility amid the chaos. This article serves as a comprehensive guide for beginners, unraveling the principles of mindfulness meditation and offering practical steps on the transformative journey toward inner peace. Understanding mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation is a contemplative practice that finds its origins in Buddhist traditions, but has transcended cultural boundaries to become a universal path to self-discovery. At its essence, it involves cultivating a heightened awareness of the present moment, free from judgment and attachment. It's a journey inward, a pilgrimage to the depths of one's consciousness. Setting the stage, creating a sacred space. Begin your mindfulness meditation practice by establishing a dedicated space. Choose a quiet and comfortable corner where you can sit or lie down undisturbed. Consider incorporating elements like soft lighting, cushions, or items that evoke a sense of peace. This space becomes your sanctuary, enhancing the effectiveness of your meditation. The foundation, breath awareness. Breath awareness serves as the foundational pillar of mindfulness meditation. Sit in a comfortable position, close your eyes, and focus your attention on your breath. Feel the natural rhythm of inhalation and exhalation. As thoughts arise, gently guide your attention back to your breath. The act of observing the breath grounds you in the present moment. Mindful observation, embracing thoughts and sensations. As you settle into your meditation, recognize that thoughts and sensations are inevitable companions on this journey. Rather than resisting or becoming entangled in them, practice observing with curiosity. Visualize your thoughts as clouds passing across the sky of your mind, allowing them to come and go without attachment. Guided meditation for beginners. For those new to mindfulness, guided meditations provide invaluable support. Numerous apps and online platforms offer sessions led by experienced instructors. Guided meditations often incorporate techniques such as body scans, loving-kindness meditations, and gratitude practices. These sessions offer a structured approach, making it easier for beginners to navigate their inner landscapes. Consistency is key. Establishing a routine. The effectiveness of mindfulness meditation unfolds with regular practice. Set aside a specific time each day to engage in your meditation practice. Whether it's a brief session in the morning to set a positive tone for the day or an evening practice to unwind, consistency plays a pivotal role in fostering the transformative power of mindfulness. Patience and compassion, a mindful approach to progress. Approach your meditation practice with patience and self-compassion. Recognize that being a beginner is an essential part of the journey. Moments of distraction are natural. The key is to gently guide your focus back to the present. Understand that progress is a gradual process, and each session contributes to your overall well-being. Beyond meditation, integrating mindfulness into daily life. Mindfulness transcends the boundaries of formal meditation sessions. As you become more familiar with the practice, strive to integrate mindfulness into your daily activities. Whether it's fully savoring the flavors of a meal, being present in conversations, or appreciating the beauty of nature, mindfulness becomes a guiding force that enriches every facet of your life. Exploring different meditation techniques. Mindfulness meditation encompasses a variety of techniques. Explore different approaches, such as loving-kindness meditation, body scan meditation, or walking meditation. These variations offer unique perspectives and cater to individual preferences, allowing you to tailor your practice to suit your needs. Seeking community and resources. Joining a meditation community or seeking guidance from experienced practitioners can provide additional support on your mindfulness journey. Books, podcasts, and workshops focused on mindfulness and meditation can offer insights, deepen your understanding, and provide inspiration for your practice. Conclusion: embarking on the journey of mindfulness meditation is a profound step towards self-discovery and inner peace. Through breath awareness, mindful observation, and a consistent commitment to practice, beginners can tap into the transformative potential of this ancient art. As you explore the depths of your consciousness, may mindfulness meditation become a guiding light on your path to inner serenity. In embracing the practice, may you discover a sanctuary within, helping you navigate the complexities of the modern world with grace, presence, and an enduring sense of peace.